Hello everyone! Welcome back to Giab Academy. My name is Gina, and for today's video, I'll be going to share the short update about the Metrobank. So this is going to be interesting right now. This is just a short video, so huwag kayong magalit sa akin dahil short video lang talaga to. So I made this for you guys. You know, I was thinking that maybe this is what you are looking for. You want to know the update of the market. So maybe you are trading a Metrobank right now and you are asking if you are safe until now. So this will be going to be informative, and of course, if you are watching right now, I am glad you're here today. And of course, if you don't subscribe yet, subscribe now and ring the bell button to notify you that every time na meron tayong mga upload. So I will show you only if it's tradable or not. So let's start. Before the market open is you have to check or you have to see the market list, which company is tradable, which is good to trade. By the way, I am using right now the Instagrams, you know. So if you are willing or if you want to learn, if you want to try, you can use Instagram. So me today is I am using Instagram. The chart of my broker is limited, so I cannot see, you know, the previous move of the market. So I decided to use Instagram. So as you can see, I am now inside of Metrobank. This is daily here, yeah, D, meaning daily. So of course, as you can see here, I have prepared how to move it up. So as you can see that we are inside of the Metrobank daily, and I have prepared my chart with label. So we have here, as you can see here, from March 3, September 20, the market start moving up, impulse, going to 3 wave. As you can see, this is the label 3. Yan. November 9, 2020 na-reach ng market ang 52.18. And of course, and from December 9 to 2020, the market start moving to wave 4 at 44.83. So it's very clear. This is our wave 4. And the very interesting is we are looking for the opportunity. Yeah, that's my word, opportunity. So as you can see here in the wave 4, 2008 January 28, 2021, oh my god, the market start moving up. It's very clear, you know. Even the pandemic, ang mga market ngayon ay hindi talaga nagpapa-apekto. So how much more na ngayon meron ng vaccine sa Pilipinas. So I'm sure ang market, guys, magliliparan na yan. Kaya kayo ay mag-invest na kayo para sa future. Sabi nga na seminar is investment is for the future, not for now. Yeah, that's right. So kaya nga, kung ano yung mga goals natin ay para lang talaga sa future yan. Like, tomorrow is a future, right? So we are planning because for tomorrow. We are planning today because for tomorrow. It's a future nga, diba? So it's very clear that January 2021, the market will start moving up. So we are in the wave 4 as of now, and of course our target is 5 wave. So meaning if you are good if you are already in the market today or this week, dahil yung entry position natin ay, you can see this is the wave 4. So it's confirmed talaga na dyan yung entry position natin, and we are going to the 5 wave. So it's very clear na pupunta yan sa wave 5 doon sa taas. So again, it's going to 60. If you are trading Metrobank, meaning you are safe, and our exit price at 60 at wave 5. So it's very clear yan. But you know, sometimes that market is against us. You know, suddenly the market is against our plan, of course, because dahil sa performance ng economy sa madalas ay nangyayari na bumabagsak bigla. But anyway, yan talaga ang nature ng market na kailangan niya talagang bumaba. So once na sa baba siya, ay meaning hindi yan nakakatakot, dahil pag nasa baba, that's the best time to invest dahil murang-mura lang yan. Parang anak mo lang yan na habang bata pa siya ay tinuturuan mo ng mga magandang asal, tinuturuan mo kung ano-ano pa, pinapaaral mo. So ganyan din ang market. Kapag nasa baba, nasa ibaba, napakaganda. Is the opportunity, is the chance, is, you know, yeah, it's a swerte to invest kapag nasa baba ang market, dahil mura pa yan. Kailangan mong sabayan yung trend talaga niya. So here it's very clear na sasabayan natin yung trend talaga niya from 4 to 5. Okay. So ayan lang naman guys, and I hope this video it helped you today. Tradable pa rin ang Metrobank kahit pandemic. So kaya ngayon guys, I am looking for the people that I am going to teach na how to manage their personal finances, o para sa future, how to save for, you know, how to secure your income protection, your health protection, your retirement protection. So ayan, I am available. You can comment sa video na to para i-book kita. Okay? So, I am available every Tuesday. So, ayan. I am available every Tuesday. Yeah. So, that's all for today. And I hope you find this video helpful for you today about the Metrobank. So, see you again sa Monday or Tuesday. Thank you. And ingat.